Hi there, welcome to Estateners Real Estate Builders. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting content. Here are 5 inspiring quotes about real estate. Number 1. Real estate cannot be lost or stolen, nor can it be carried away. Purchased with common sense, paid for in full, and managed with reasonable care, it is about the safest investment in the world. Franklin D. Roosevelt. Number 2. The best investment on earth is earth. Louis Glickman. Number 3. Don't wait to buy real estate. Buy real estate and wait. Will Rogers. Number 4. Owning a home is a keystone of wealth, both financial affluence and emotional security. Suze Orman. Number 5. The major fortunes in America have been made in land. John D. Rockefeller. I hope these quotes inspire you to make smart real estate investments. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.